Hey, it's Jim. I'm in the closet today playing with some compressors. I've got an MXR Dyna Comp here. This is from 1979. It is the classic Dyna Comp circuit that you know and love. It's got the CA3080 in it. It is a wonderful sounding pedal. It's been on a ton of records. I'm going to plug it in and compare it with the Maxon compressor that nobody's ever heard of, and it's probably never been on a single record, which I think is a shame because it sounds wonderful. This looks just like a Dyna Comp, but it is totally different. This was made in Japan in 1978. This one has an optical compression circuit in it with a 4:1 ratio, and it's a lot more sparkly, a little more chimey, a little less squishy than a Dyna Comp. Sounds lovely, but very different. I'm going to plug them in side by side and we're going to check them out. Alright, here's the true bypass tone. And then that's the hardwire bypass, because neither of these are true bypass, so there's a lot of input impedance loading. With the pedal on though, here's the Dyna Comp. And the Maxon. Dial back the sensitivity a little. On the Maxon it's called sustain. The knobs are in reverse order. We'll switch to the Maxon again. Take the sustain right down. At lower settings, I feel like they're more similar. It's when you really turn up the sustain, or I guess the sensitivity on the Dyna Comp, that the differences really shine. Like, that's super, super squashed. You still get a lot of that treble coming through. Both very cool. All right.